Jesus, you're my everything, yeah. My everything is you, Lord. Yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Everybody say, how can I express my gratitude for all the many things you've done for me? Words are not enough, to say thank you. So Lord, you are my everything. You're my everything. How can I express my gratitude? How can I express my gratitude for all the many things, Father, you done for me, yeah. Words are not enough to say thank you. So Lord, you are, you're my everything. See, I call you Jireh. Lord, my provider. I call you Eunice. You are my battle. I call you Rapha. Hey. You are my healer. Say, Lord, you are.
Ye fema ye wo London. Ya ji abasobodie bebre. Ne ya redare e wo mransemu. Eye legal services, be to say family law, matrimonial law, immigration, dispute resolution, Ghanaian customary, any family law. Wo BWF die, yen solicitors e de nijie ene twitwaje wo na ye bo nso nya den kra. Yen partner penimpa Bernardo Wusu aye lawyer ewo UK memu bebru mfie duonu nkron 29 years. BWF Solicitors kura won ho. Inti se ba na ebusuansem bi te se child care eye abofrahwe mu awarja ye ho twema mentwe ene ohye ana injunction ye de to domestic violence so a ye ma legal assistance ya edimu na ye adwuma nso. Yen child care any family team no nimnia wo famu ewe ne ya wo bremu enunti ne yeto ye mboase ma wafutu a esefata ewo kokoa mu. Yen senior partner obi a Law Society Family Law Accreditation Panel agina tumu na osanso ye member na kyerese eba no se ye gina wachi etwitwaje ewo family any matrimonial cases ho a wonni haw kra. Wo pe advice ewo immigration sensem ho. Wo BWF Solicitors die ye immigration team no abredare ewo general immigration ho nsemsem kosi complex immigration, work permit, student visa ho totoye, any entry clearance visas, family visas ni appeals. Yen senior partner eye member na wasagina tum ewo Law Society Immigration Accreditation Panel. Inti se taiwachi a wonni haw kra. Ye bie an office free juada ekosi fiada anopa no nkronpa mu ekosi enumre no nsia eye 9:30 am kosi 6 pm ena memene danso eye appointment nkoa free anopa no ndu ekosi ewia no 9 eye 10 am kosi 4 pm. Yɛwɔ 4th floor ɛwɔ Anna House 214-218 Tottenham High Road, London N15 4NP. Sɛ wo nante free 7 Sisters Underground nso a ɛyɛ kwan tiaa bi. Yɛn senior partner Bernard Owusu san yɛ barrister ya gyina tumu na ɔyɛ Ghana Bar Association member ɛna wasan gyina sɛ mmaranimfoɔ ɛwɔ court cases a ɛfa Ghana law ho. Wa advise local authorities, official solicitors office ne solicitors bebree ɛfa Ghanaian law ho yie. Na ɔsan yɛ obi a ɔtae kasa ɛwɔ radio ɛne TV so fa Ghanaian law ho.
Based in London, we are a dynamic award-winning firm specializing in a range of legal services, including family law, matrimonial law, immigration, dispute resolution, Ghanaian customary and family law. At BWF, our solicitors are pleased to offer high-quality legal representation at competitive rates. Our senior partner,
BWF Solicitors. Mama Pomo Bokodia, I suppose I'm talking to Madam Eunice.
Dr. Morton, this is nice meeting you.
Nice to meet you. Now, I'm a person who say, I'm said, do na BWF Solicitors, dear, Mojidia Sabi, and you just him risi yasia for the Yatemonka. Now, we would like to congratulate you, say, Yabobaso, when you mapa, Moyama, Yamianuma Sabi, or Monkrata Sem Aye Ibioho, and Yamishra Mopa say, Mobwejuma.
Yeah, I mean, sure, also, you say, I know that we haven't met, but I mean, people from all over always come over the program. I'm sure, say, as we work with you in the coming weeks, you will be very conversant with Dudwana and we ourselves will also inform you as of what we do as well.
Okay. Now, I know pay what we're feeding out to her a Rainbow Radio, BWF Solicitors, and a new Modin Common, or more 4th floor, Anna House. My telephone number is 0208 493 7340. 124 and 214 and 218 Tottenham High Road, 7 Sisters, London, N15 4NP near 7 Sisters Tube Station. No, my mobile number so between your 077 127 61884. Yo, Auntie Eunice, I don't pay before for Hobia a Pia Pessy, a Demayan more, the Pacho, one ojum.
Pacho, you went that's a brave. My main chair, you take phone call for would say on Rainbow Radio, FM, so my name Sam, that's so what tuning so, and then of course, BW TV and a radio and a Facebook and a YouTube. Me chamunina. We are sorry, the program. No, I shall see it late.
Oh, and you're
It's Bedamo, I say, for the fact that to me, Kayans and Nayan to me, it Ejumedi, Yamiadum, we new Bia ambassador, but we have just the usual things that updating and crop for on. Last week, Nameka Huasem say overshare immigration rules now. Last month, almost the initiation to honor in regards to ABN Crofo, more percent application for settlement into application based on family life, or appendix settlement family life. ABN J 2.5 based on our partner, and answer J 2.5 based on our because we are parents of a British child, and answer Akola or indefinite leave to remain. And our grandpa say Akola with these 7 years, you want to chrome her with these 7 years, I will chrome her. And our grandpa say Akola no grandpa or EU citizenship or leave to remain under your appendix EU. Because of the fact that OJ would 2.5 ebia later okoware British ni and I was sister or 2.5 no to the spousal route. So then they are saying that of course so all your application for settlement as long as you can show say when you do no for a 10-year period, and it doesn't matter whether the first 2 was based on you as a partner and I say you as a parent no.
Right.
To me, I'm outside indefinite leave to remain after a period of 10 years. And no so sano, so we yes application for indefinite leave to remain now. So to me, a year English language test, which is either say or degree. I just say we are all Chrome Heinz or degree, undergraduate degree, another master's degree, another PhD. And I say or can say we need degree into YSR English speaking listening exams as a level B1.
Okay.
And no sano na what the actual say we meet our requirements. So sounds so yeah life in the UK test. First na yenim say o koye naturalization a pay now obey life in the UK test. But into for indefinite leave to remain, most indefinite leave to remain applications no. So we life in the UK exams to be able to then go ahead and meet more requirements no. And then
I see.
Over to me now what show must say na for a continuous period break beer and bim to say obia why you need 2.5 ewu yansana ordering who say or sign application ibium. They mean say for the continuous period of 10 years no wait to me actually say na or immigration status and I say oh asetna ewo krum ha in say no so ewo hosa.
I see.
And then when it comes to our applications for private life yenim say in kolana mo krum ha yeah umode in Brian so at ho ama in terms of almost private life into me boss say akola 87 years e wo krom ha and also to me application for indefinite leave to remain into sa akola no say otumi chere say ye wo no krom ha for a continuous period of 7 years no na oti krom ha and it will be unreasonable say sa akola no ye be no every UK krom ha into say otumi chere say ye wo no nani mame anasa ne papa de no ko GP oko nursery oko school nti etumi a kire say na ne krom UK krom ha with this 7 into all yes application for indefinite leave to remain krom ha. When it comes to abia akola yan won wo krom ha ye de ne ba krom ha because of the fact that ne mame anasa ne papa 2.5 ne bi na akola no under the age of 18 to me actually say what's not UK Chrome have for a continuous period of 7 years. And also able to me application for indefinite leave to remain. And now say akolano omo anwo work Chrome ha you didn't feel Ghana na say a coffee for biso but sa akolano or yeah about the age of 18 and answer or 18 or more but still under the age of 25. Inti say sa kolano ebe to me actually say I waba chrome ha but what's not a chrome ha for more than half of their life in India, then that child can also make an application or based on a private life to say because what's not a chrome ha for more than half of their life ninti say to me emano sa inkratano. But so all your application for indefinite India, then say to me say what's not a chrome ha for a long period of time for about 5 years. And sana umube to me amano sa indefinite leave to remain. And also sana so all your life in the UK any English language test 1 year GCSE or chrome ha and I say 1 year A levels or chrome ha dia and dear so to me say why yes English speaking and listening exam no ewo chrome
oh wow
and also ewo ho emma nkola omwedi 18 and I say more than 18 but under the age of 25.
Okay.
When you say
sorry, say me no. I'm say my who say I'm for class that say Fred that. And krata some no a hardware pop. Na mesramo me near phone lines no. Mo amakwa yenti na me pass Mama Lucy, Eunice. Orlando no church and you whom you may say will be sa question when you be one of the Stramo. The more more friend when yabutre BWF Solicitors and our dear and Kata same more be the pilly or work baby at the Befabiano or be one. And see, Mammy Kafra, Sena, do not start to perceive when you are Quintina Micha as a Michawan, Timpacho Coso.
In terms of in Kofa, Omatna a chrome have for at least 20 years. Maybe be our normal business say, be beautiful for Abimuana, on way to me, I indefinite leave to remain application because Omatna a chrome have for 20 years and now. Unfortunately, no, still now, say to me, a chair say, what's not a chrome have for 20-year period. Now, because of the fact say wait to me actually say what's not a chrome have for dodo no ana which is the 20 years no into omobema will start 2.5 years into 2.5 years no omobema 2.5 up to a period of 10 years and sana wait to me aye application for indefinite leave to remain meaning say rules no mo dey about for nkwala no and I say nkofo no mo ye under the age of 25 and above the age of 18, no, Emma and Crawford say it applies to Obia, but because the requirements are different for Obia, Avia, Watna, a Chrome have for 20 years. Sanim Pano, Oba Yano, na Onyakola. He was more than 18, but on to me, entry say, or you're under the age of 25, Watna half of their life. Into no and qualify under that route. And I said, on year under the age of 18, wait to me, actually say what's not a chrome have for a 7-year period. Into say, to me, and say what's not half of your life. And I said, what's not for a continuous period of that 7 years now. Then it means say, so to me, say what's not for that 20-year period. And no sano, na say, oh, year 2.5 no twice for a 10-year period. And sana. Wait to me, I application for indefinite leave to remain. Into no, ewa hosa. Into I know say nkofo bebre that so be say but almost rules no almost start Emma yeah yatina ha 20 years. Unfortunately, amnesty be any hostel. Oh
dear,
yes, quick application based on your 20-year leave to remain ewa chrome high into so that's why it was so up to that 10-year period and sana when you're in Krata.
You move. Anyway, the make us no say, well, say, do na no, say, sa kwenye unia, and there any option there, which I say, won't be to so apart from it, no.
Yeah, it's say, Obi Abba na Avia or can say because of the fact say, means to me interest Matina 20 years into my back home for the past 15 years. We knew Obia, but we didn't say almost a 20-year application be why I year. So Sani Paneba now over to me, I catch up say Abia, maybe I know we know be way, but baby I've been shed that any acolano anyhow. Me per se Abia, ultimately application be mammy. If say nipakono ewa akola ye won wo krom ha na obetumi a kire say either say akola no British and I say ye wo akola no wo krom ha with the fact that akola no is about 7 years old and I say akola no e more than 7 years old dear, then we can make an application relying on sa akola no. But first of all no so to make sure say who sa parental relationship with sa akola no. Into only parental relationship and also it's me a stumbling block.
Oh, yes. I see.
Yes. It's bibi sano na say utu anamo na okuhu akola ne mame eka say of course me nim say akole wa hwe ne sa me so me hu say mafom me pese me so me ye masade me pese be hwe akola no So oh shakolano just because of the fact that officer in krata there na another issue, but say area genuine parental relationship only akolano wo say officer akolano ko school there and there na omude wo wodin ahye ho say o yakolano papa say mama ne pene so now there's no issue there now then at least when him say over to me letter from the school.
Mama, me person Mr. say, and then my man was opening us to say, oh, person didn't call and say, Pacho, I didn't hear.
Yeah, because of the fact say immigration rules no so on why she in such a way say the two of you have to be able to come to some agreement. Into let's say akolano, what would jano and I say what ja mamene akolano because of the fact that now we are abusive or you be did na term any inside no say ebane say there is any case of abuse or harm done na then it means that mama no and say papa no will not allow you to see the child because they know say no you risk to honor mama no and you are a risk to the child as well. And see, if there isn't any form of agreement there, then it means say it will be difficult for you to meet requirements no under your eligibility requirements no. And see, they expect say mama no osha akwala no betumi achiro say ampa papa we ehwa akwala no bibi wo ho akwala no here obetumi aye. Say if there's no case of abuse and I say any other harm done to some mama no and asa akwala no na mama no pese or no kasa extra akwala no because on pese obeba akwala na bra bonum dia, then you go ahead and make an application for a court order. But first of all no omobeka say try mediation. Say mediation and ye juma dia na wire application to the court for child arrangement order. In say no sano na no wait to me age na and also to say because courts na ama me direct contact with akolani nti me pese me ye application because abia o mama weekends with akolano and I say omo ama 1 day supervised contact every week with akolano. As long as you are able to show say who was a relationship with akolano, then they can use that to say okay no so and I did 2.5 no mao into it has to be some form of mutual agreement between the two of you because you mean in some ACC will chrome her into if there's no agreement there and they just say muko through the court system and sana wait to me age now kolano so edinya.
Okay. But I see me say lawyer Eunice and I'm attending kano a higher Rainbow Radio. Ubenya so Rainbow International e wo Facebook say e also na pese wo join here. Na number between a friend e wo jubidi no dey 0208 133 4646 0208 133 4646 and I say 0208 133 1134 0208 133 1134 and a WhatsApp line here 0777 that is 0777 1950 989 0777 that is 0777 1950 989 and see what the what's your ma then the matuama madam lawyer then the ohubiano so what the abro na so be join CC and chair yam se me do mo share no near my address no number nyina betudwa ne be ya ohwe mo kira kwan ya ene obi frɛ my main pick call we them say grata sem dey say dey di panyanti no manu ansi kura obi aba afuma no so yo good morning sir good morning me so I oba no be ma
hello good morning
okay yo kafra radio do me ho ya pa na pacho also na udi di say na o free thing pa.
Your family, John.
You.
Manchester.
Okay, Manchester. You.
Eunice, good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah. Was home for me.
nyamia domo.
Yeah, but some were some 2 DM percent maybe. Mrs. Sabina, Pesoka Fanny Baba, name say, so be advising say, on your DNA and 2 name supercom and since the Canadian Mrs. Nobaya Pina after Apina for ye. No person who's a DNA in your home office for no more particular place, and not to which may be. And the second question has to do with, and the last week, Mr. Say, Louis America said, woman being all yes, or Pesok of Baba. Na, and say, Unkra, Waira, the original birth certificate, na paper one, biometric one, or OCCiano. Now, no, some Pesok or ye DNA. Name said, Mr. Say, lawyer, Louis America said, my DNA input, and should I in ye. Problem say a member dear. And I'm person who say, is there any difference between a member DNA and my DNA? And says after the or buy your DNA now. And should I get problem too much now?
Okay. Into the first question, now we can say a person or your DNA, but or should say almost home office there say oyana. Yes, into home office approved DNA companies are so into oko.gov.uk now we should approved DNA establishments are the DNA companies are jitum website no so it's about 8 or 10 different DNA companies no at least when him say DNA company no so DNA na it will be approved by the Home Office. In saying just any doctor and I said just any company whatsoever na it has to be an approved DNA establishment. Now I say Oba DNA different from Burma DNA. I mean nyame boy na different. In say Oba DNA definitely will be different from Burma DNA. Say DNA company no for one reason or the other say and to me the right conclusive reports no there. They will find another family member who they can test. Into say test na ebia to me conclusive report and answer decision na here. They will tell you say into pacho or another family member able to me I test no one or so that we can try and get a conclusive result. I mean, whatever the case is, they will make sure say they will try and get the relationship as you are stating it. But say and they will tell you say there's no possible way say relationship now will cannot. Yes, sir. Into say we can say way anyway. Your mother and daughter na ya test no na results no is coming that there's no way cra say sanipa no be obana. Then they will tell you say there's no way sanipa we be oba. But if there is some sort of should I say a positive result, say it can be your child, but they are not conclusive, and I said they are not 100% sure, and I said they are not 98% sure because they never say 100% sure. They always say 99.9% say this is the relationship, as claimed. Say who said there's a chance that the relationship is as you are stating. Now here more evidence, then they will request for another family member to do the DNA test. Senya sure say at least our relationship now will claim I am pasa. Yeah.
But your family member, they bet me Oba and as a Burma.
It doesn't matter. It can be Oba a bit to me a Burma and who here say Oba and I say Burma.
Oh, okay. Okay. That's it, lawyer.
That's it.
Yo, Opedi Medasipi. I'm say Ofufro swap a year tablets no so. Pacho, good morning.
Good morning.
Pacho Wane Nyamia Dum here. Pacho Wane Kasei.
Your friend me Kweku Seidu make us free Norway. Bergen or Norway.
Okay, Kweku Seidu. The patcho one will be which will be a lawyer was him.
Me da CP Micha what ye for in so. Your friend say, Mammy Eunice, me pamucho mo number no ya na ye fry ye bread do me pamucho p. Only say ye wo outside minti to me anamoma office in Tino. Na ye try say be some be nye we say a bed in the past ye be nyamo. Mr. Why am much like this one my ye near a no. Okay. Your friend is a me come as suitable. Now will be so baby. Say me pese me busa requirements say sekoba say obi worry nipa no wo Ghana and oba no wo UK. Our process na say na esitie.
Into dem enkrata na nipa na wo UK no.
Nipa no wo UK no okura indefinite.
Okay. Into say indefinite na nipa kono kura usually EU nkofo no omo different from nkofo omo kura indefinite and answer omo kura British citizenship. Into let's say
na me nka
Pachote.
Me pacho kasa ni o Skype na so Mr. No
na okay.
We nwi pacho.
Okay.
Pacho.
Pachote.
I'm still what's in nka what's in
Pachote menka.
I'm safe you no no my papa we na menhwe I'm say on the line. Hello, good morning.
Hello.
Yes, good morning. May I know who's on the line, please?
Okay. Me pacho your friend me cha. Me ka safi betting king.
Cha.
Me pacho.
Okay. Mami cha pacho wanu udwem why?
Me pacho mbese mbisa lawyer Eunice asem kakra. Me brother bina one me in fact me one will be any problem kakra. Na oba no etre say the brother they say okoye nkrata na anyi. And I'm so saying the lawyer say so about okrum hanumwa. Na o insist say akwa bi ye ne ba. And now oba ne say enya ne ba. Oba ne so aware a no onyem ye no ni kun so aware a oni ni kun ti ansa no onyem. A be ma ni di ne da akra ne so age say. Omu ye okay. Enti no opese o fa kwa bi say akra ne ne ba na o de akra no de akra ko gira ye ne krata. Enti also umuka say ne lawyer say onfa omo de court na oba ko edieni oba ni timi avoid edieni na na on timi avoid it because oba ni so on best stress ne ba no enti no the person busa lawyer say e betimi possible so oba ni betimi avoid edieni.
Okay, into sorry, and say, my answer gentleman no oba so first because my name said not of free and no nancy ne line na ye bad, but I'm sure say otie. Now will be sad bibi about the fact say obi a oti UK or indefinite obi to me aye nkrata ama obi a yes into say nimpa no e cry indefinite and say settlement na opese odinu kunu eba krom ha. There are certain requirements under your immigration rules that omo hwehwe. Into omo pese omo hu say wo kunu anasa wo yere na wo pese wo de ne ba no. Ampa say mo genuine relationship eda so ewo ho nti say mo aware no mo marriage certificate omo pese omo hu say mo bon komo WhatsApp so phone so at least say money remittance na mo send them just to make sure say the other person Ghana no you okay ube to me the no actually. And then they want to also know says sa nipa na or Ghana no or undergraduate degree and answer or excess confirmation said ni degree na why no ampa na e wo profumo ampa so emiti omo common European framework level A1 and now say only degree crampo na or English language test which is IELTS at a level A1 and also sign also omo person who say nimpa no Ghana no only tuberculosis into obey tuberculosis medical certificates no e dey akire omo say only tuberculosis e won mu and then nipa na wo UK hanom no so to me kire say ne sika na origin no about 18,600 a year, and now say it is more than that 18,600 a year. Or sounds so accommodation na sa nipa no ba obetumi agena tum say ampa we me kunu na say we me yere me pese me net na enti eno no sa no na nipa no aboabo no ho say obetumi ayesa application no say otse we dia I'm hoping say otse say opese offer your offense so a obetu to me afre. To answer your question about the fact that when it comes to obia court no akache say on your DNA, they will not force it on you because ebia wo ka say mama no and say papa no ohwa akola no ebia they are not available, and I say because akola no yare no and they don't want the test to be taken at that time. Court order no there say at least almost diso because of the fact say so when the court order so you can be held to contempt. Court no can even make an order for your arrest. They can enforce their order one way or the other. And see if at a particular time no nipa no enye ready there, the court will ask you for an available time into say mama say ebia and then I'm no me ready and me pay another time, and the court no be man no kwan say on pay another time obey ready obetumi aye test no into something that is a court order into court no like I say a DNA has to be carried out there, and the DNA has to be carried out, but I say mama no emma time opese or yet sa DNA because until she has obviously complied with order no the court cannot move the case forward into na prolonged case no, and then if they are seeing that nipa no per se or difficult keke on per se obey dia, then they can enforce the order in one way or the other. Into now more Kafkas, which is social services for now juma Emma courts no. The Kafkas officers will always have a representative to me akofie ene mame no akasa, because they are the ones who will make a report back to the court. Say almost omoka na nipa no ebia wama reasons the enti person obey test no, then they will say okay, we will go ahead and then inform the court of A, B, C reasons. But of course, so obifufu din ewo akolano birth certificate no so na mame no aka say ampa enye so and so beba, because that time na wo no na yeni ho me kunu ne so and so me kunu na me na atna up to this time. The courts will have to take all of that into consideration. They can't force Nipano to just go ahead and carry out a DNA test. They have to consider everything that Nipano ever can also before they make a decision in regards to child arrangements or no.
Pacho, I hope say one noisy and now go full gretchen think when we are not come up from
Pachine, Manwesi.
All right, yo.
Mama. Okay, that's it.
Yo, yes, yeah, that's it. Yo, me Pacho, why now war yes, we know so tablets no
tablets so no you have you could say do I make my unique na minimum the
aha when I'm from Europe now I'm saying now mama here.
Aye, every no way.
My name is
please hold on.
Mama.
Yeah, Kasa.
Okay.
There be kwaku Kasa.
Yeah, Mama. Aha. Na make bibusa say now upeso chire me en se nipa no peso ba proceed and say the city.
I na minister would say ewo afide no so
obi a owo a friend say owo UK in Krata or the ko ware obi wo Ghana.
Yeah. Into na me ka say in regards to sa nipa no wo UK hanom no, as long as over to me I share say sa nipa no wo Ghana no waware no na omo relationship anasa omo aware no genuine and subsistent nti ampa marriage certificate ewo ho omo ehia omo ni omo ho omo bon komode bia sometimes ebia nipa no wo UK Chrome ha no o mane Ghana ni no sika ene nkeka ho no nti if that is the case there, then of course they are able to show say omo meet our relationship requirements. Another requirement ne say nipa no wo Ghana no so to make sure say or maybe meet our English language requirements. Into English language requirements ne sure say bia or no ewo degree because our undergraduate degree no X is for kase ni degree na or no emiti sa a common European framework level A1 or above. In say don't know sa no not we use so no but so on credit degree there and there so yes English speaking and listening which is IELTS. In say over here IELTS no at British Council Ghana na watch say with me MET level A1 no. Obesanso actually say why yet tuberculosis test no to show say only tuberculosis when you move in say no so sa no obey sa tuberculosis test sa immigration and migration office almost friend airport residential area inti and also sa no so obey na with me I actually said nipa no UK ha no so to me say ni income anasa ni sika na original at least 18,600 a year. Inti say more than that sir and there is even better. Inti nisika dodo na oje from the juma no at least over to me actually na with me actually say more than the 18,600 and I say so 18,600 ne pepepe. And na nukun so ba obenya baby ada inti either say or tenancy agreement and I say or baby to show say or dying over to me any sunny panel at 9. And see, those are the main requirements or so to me meet yourself as a ordinary crew.
Very good. Now, English, no, I was say a friend is say A1.
Into A1, the lowest. So, officer, no, at A2, over to me, I know at an A2 level. I think the highest is about C1 as a Pachote.
A line on no voice in you would the back come but on the may.
Pachote.
Say the article.
Kwaku a bear free woman and cast a line what was in the wagon as watch it, Mr. The bear will be so ever free line now, no so any bibi crack, Mr.
You any Mr. Catch a woman, ma'am said, my friend, because me here or no, okay. Yeah, or no casamenti.
All right, Nyashi, what are your friend? Why? That's it.
Okay,
all right,
my friend, that's it.
You, Pacho, your what Skype no so on Casaway. Your what tablets no so. Pacho, good morning. Hello, good morning. I'm Sir Onoko. Hello.
Hello, Pacho Mia.
Okay. Pacho, a frost saying now, Casafi.
Okay, good morning, Pacho. Frame Kofi, Mikasefri Landing.
Okay.
Pacho, campus, Mechia, lawyer, Eunice now also. I'm person busa question kakrama and my sister. Pacho, na my sister wahano our landing and our year. Now only way now I British. Inti, but unfortunately, no, all no, and yet on one eating or the call year. Inti ni ban enya 2 years now. And one akulana echo Ghana. You see, akulana di 14, and one akulana after back. Akulana person will continue education. Ewa hasi. Inti ushe birth certificate ni suna ni dia wade eba ye no naka sen dia wade ba ye no enye no le se akulana birth certificate so. And akulana was 14 on person we ja akulana o person otena nanka osha akulana ko school. Inti edena ewa sawo.
And I just saw your DNA because in Confos Sound within the beer into say, or your DNA nature say, okay, DNA nature say, we I am a bar, but the dinner I wore birth sets no so a different day because Mrs. Sammy Dean. And I don't know, say, or the record application who say, ampa, a dinner wore birth sets no so, and yet a dinner. me use sisia no because me sister me din but DNA ne kire say me ba nti me pese me ye application no ema me ba we di 14 ebe join me e wo krom ha nti as long as she's able to show say akola no ne papa no ebia otikrom ha what to and half and answer ne papa no abandon akola na onhwe akola no na wetumi age na eno so e de akola no aba UK krom ha
lawyer mpacho akola ne papa ye British and so oni ya Ghana sisi am no kasai wa free hanum for almost about 10 years ni but akola ne ye British and na ne maame eni binti ore ne maame na Africa na o mapa krom anu sisi a odi ne baba a month ni no apa krom akola no e be continue education so but maame ne visitor visa and e be rare mu sisi a
inti sa akola ne ye British dia eno ane se akola no so no nkasa ebetumi aka se oye obi a obetumi etukwan aba UK krom ha inti what they want to know is if there's an adult traveling with akola no inti ebia amanone no because we tukwan aba Ghana ninti we be here say ebia ne papa ede ne beba krom ha anase o mama ankasa pese o come back to Ghana no o de akola ne ba ono ankasa so ebetumi
lawyer mpacho emi say o get me wrong akola no ne maame o ma ba 1 month o mienu nyina wo krom asie but
okay.
maame ne pese o be ko Ghana bi o pese o tena ne ba no e wo ha na o hwa akola no
okay afi na will make sense into say akola no ene maame no eti krom ha na o ka say maame no pese o tena krom ha na o hwa akola ne dia and they say to me say akola we British me so me hwe akola we pese o ko school into my school amano school na all kono eni school no e wo me details say me akola ne maame but me din eni akola ne birth cert no so into me ye DNA a kire say me ye obi a me akola ne maame me sisa me din but of course edin na sisa but me ankasa na me akola ne maame a me hwe no into me the documents way from school ebia my register no so GP into GP documents no so HSA akola no my register no GP at least from time to time say kwa me de no call into so to make sure say that akola na waba na also ye British no or play role in akola life not with me age na and no so to make the application for 2.5 years but first na send visit visa na or no ewu ansa na with me yes application no
much me das nyame show
Mr. Medasi yes yeah that's so opese onya e wo Facebook a Rainbow International and a hotline no to send am boma on 0208-133-4646 and I say 0208-133-1134. WhatsApp number here 0377-1950-989 0377. Hello, Pacho, my name.
Hello, please. My name is Mohammed. I'm calling from Bakin.
Okay, Emmanuel, you're live on air, please.
And please, if you've gotten your first 2.5, when can you apply for the 5-year route, if that's possible?
Okay, so your 2.5, is it based on you as a parent or partner?
Okay.
Yeah, I'm wondering how you are able to hear that the first caller said he did it, because can you hear, lawyer?
Yeah, I can hear now.
Okay, go on.
So was it as a parent or partner?
As a partner.
Okay. So
but you are no more together with her.
So you're no longer together. Did you have children
Yeah.
with her or?
You only had a child, but they didn't marry.
Okay. So now you want to rely on the child to be able to make the application?
Yes, please.
Okay. So if you are now saying that because you are no longer together with your partner, so you want to make the application for the application for a parent to be able to say that you are looking after a child, then you need to make that application. If, for instance, you were saying that you are not living together anymore and the relationship is no longer subsisting, then you have to show that this child that you have together, either that you are playing a role in their life by taking them to school or taking them out, whatever it is that you do for this child, you have to be able to show by way of an official letter. So either it's a school letter or a GP letter, or if the person goes to after school classes, the after school club can also give you a letter to say that this is the role you play in the child's life. And they'll also want a letter from the mother to say that you are indeed playing a role in the child's life. So the letter that will come from the mother will have to say what you are doing for the child. If you are paying her to obviously cater for the children's needs, then she will obviously have to mention that in the letter as well. So whatever it is that you do for the child, she will have to mention it in the letter and then sign it off as well. So you have to be able to show that you are playing a parental role in this child's life first of all. Then they look at your immigration status to see if you have valid leave to remain in the UK. You will need to be able to show that you still have valid leave to be able to meet that immigration status requirement. Then you have to be able to show that you also meet the financial maintenance requirement. Because it's a child, they want to know whether your income will be equal to the income support rate they give to children and parents in the UK. So if you are receiving, let's say, £2,000 a month, and you take out your rent, you take out your council tax, whatever you have left, they would want to find out if it meets that income support rate that they give to children and parents in the UK. And they will also want to know if there is suitable accommodation where this child can stay. If you were to say this child should come over to your house, would that child also have suitable accommodation to be able to live with you? And then lastly but not the least, they will require that you will meet the English language requirement. So you have to be able to show that you've either done the English speaking and listening at a level A2, or you can show that you've got an undergraduate degree, and that undergraduate degree will allow you to be able to show that you meet that common European framework level that they are looking for. So if you are able to meet all of these 4 requirements, that you have a parental relationship, that you meet the immigration status requirement, that you also meet the maintenance requirement, and you meet the English language requirement, then you can switch from the 10-year route to the 5-year route. But as you are saying that you are no longer in a relationship with your partner, you need to make that application as soon as possible.
Right.
Okay.
What's your say? Do you get that?
Thank you very much.
All right, thank
Joanne.
you. There's somebody else on the line. Hello, good morning.
Hello, Mpacho, good morning.
Good morning. Mpacho, why name?
Mpacho Linda.
Oh, hi, Linda.
The Castle Wembley.
Okay, Mpacho, one word your loyalty.
Mpacho, lawyer Eunice, Mpacho, my sending and person is South Accra.
Patrick.
Me Mpacho, me ba, Kromha as dependent child, ye mama 5 years. I think me move 4 years. Ba mawo. And if you are yes, you know, here you took 2 rooms in say a dog. And I'm my many cars, may apply, say, dear, you be mammy, Diana, may have a benefiter. May I no say me eligible to my. But me could read the article, I said, a mamma best say, dear, next year, and me could indefinite, and I'm say, dear, my claim benefits me a very few senior, and I say, dear, you didn't say, I can be so.
Okay. Also, we are dependent child of an EU national. Pacho, say correct.
Pacho.
Okay. In terms of what showing say you are a dependent child, you know, it is more to do with the fact that all depending on your parents. And so say what the way I want to describe it, dependency, and as a dependent child under your appendix FM, annex 1, no. they are trying to say as ultimate chair say you are financially supported by your parents and here any support be a omo and I say EU national no and air show into say OG benefits there it means say your parents no and your omo na omo show because the whole point
okay gotcha me too.
Okay, so the whole point of dependency, is just say, we are non-EA national, no, not EA national, not of free amanon, no, or no, and a show. Whether a did DMO or a Diana Ubetum, whatever it is, which is in regards to you and the Ube here, no, or no, and a show. Into say also OJ benefits there, it means say. After they are buying and the air show, and your papa now EU ni and that's all mommy EU ni and air show. And also would then make it difficult for you to be able to show say wait to me aje wouldn't definitely no because almost person who say mommy and that's all papa no every year bia or evidence actually say almost na mama osika or de show ho and that's all mama would die I would see ma wait to me I show
na every month dia na o mami ka no order so ye but accommodation ye problem no say yen try say me ye imenya eligible ye fam me krom ha de on qualify ye fam ma ti me so no mo give me document no mo share chi no mo say yen sure say me no cost for public funds to be eligible but since me with I say
okay, into a dine now, mo de be ma wono. O maame no, obetia e ho kan na.
Almost say government this year be a me top up. Enti top up no na ono obetia mame. Ba me so me ye ejuma.
Okay. Enti of course, se wo so ye ejuma na wo ka se wan kasa no enye wo na obetia sa top up. O ma betia top up aban no so betia de aka no of course almost trying to say nanka wo ma me a wo kasa wo depend on so no say wo say o hwe wan pa and the adentina say aban ni tia sika ne bi ma because of the fact say one kasa we fifie wo so wo ba into moon to me emfete efie honom say wo ma me so pay dan ama wo dia and the say at least utie bi na ono so etue bi na yehu say ampa umame na eda so ehwe but abai ni sisi a ehwe the bulk of your rent answer na umame so aye top up so obetumi a kire say without umame support no then you would not be able to afford accommodation no then they will consider but what can say we ejuma in I'm sure say in their calculations, no, HMRC, so Ebeka said, this is something that you yourself can pay without woman support. And to say, oh, kase, one kasa we juma dia, then you have to think clearly about the decision you are making. Because if you are saying parents say woman then it means that without woman support, no, and they want to me and ya danya ubetim.
Pacha Martin.
Okay.
Patchai.
For you.
That's if Linda, Commissioner. Yo, I'm say, we show a video na akabe say, I'm say, Sima, and what you say, Sima, Uncle, na Eddie Medina Aberia. Now, lawyer, say, I'm say, Ubiani and my studio, Memphis when you soon saw some cacratches. In Cacrebi, and I work Cacrebi at the council, then, now, opens all friend lawyer, send a kind of, number no, a year. 0208 493-7340 or more 2142-218 Sonam High Road, Seven Sisters, London, N15 4NP. Or Seven Sisters Tube Station or mobile number so a 077-1276-1884. Lawyer, Bacho, Ocean Fedus, a Rainbow Radio International, Mr. Shannon. So, a better time beyond Bebano, Unsa, Ebeka Moho. Lawyer Eunice, we do have a person become one, Bacho.
Okay. We didn't say your main topic for today, but it's here for David Viera, Yakase, ɛnyɛ immigration sɛm nkwa ana yɛdi ho adwuma sɛ ɛba sɛ ebia wopɛ sɛ woyɛ applications te sɛ sɛnya ebi mu aba so either sɛ woyɛ outside the UK application for obi to come into the UK and I say what the UK come ha or share saying over to me aye won krata and I come post say British citizenship application ye ho adwuma sisi na ye nim say ye points based system a nkofo ebetumi abaye adwuma e wo krom ha nkofo eda so eba senya omo betumi esua ade e wo university level and I come post say omo ba school e wo krom ha ye no so ho adwuma into either skilled worker application and I say yes student visa applications we ni na so ye ho adwuma and I can say one kasa or business e wo krom ha o gidi say obetumi ama obi permit a obetumi e de abaye adwuma e wo krom ha ye no so ho adwuma a ye betumi aye application no for sponsor license no so every home office for. And then if for any reason to say obi buy or say on obi ewo ba needing any akola no so child arrangement orders ye no so ho adwuma non-molestation orders any occupation orders most family cases no ye no adwuma ye civil litigation matters any ye pending so ye Ghanaian law as well into we have that variety. At least say unim obi say ye wo krampo na unim obi a obehia mboa na wachre ne kwan say BWF Solicitors so e wo ho a omoye adwuma pa nsi sa adwuma we say opese okohu oma from na omo nhwe emma so open remote appointments because bia to say nipa na offer ya or say free ewi so open remote appointments and their your office line omobeje wo consultation not with me any one-to-one consultation your office line 0208 493 7340 into 0208 493 7340 your office number no your office no Monday to Friday 9:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. and see so person o frey yan obetumi afrey your office ewo 7 Sisters so o person book your appointment na obehu yen personally nso so a your 4th floor of Anna House 214 to 218 Tottenham High Road no so your bank 7 Sisters tube station and no pairs so free exit 2 air bar ubehu abronsan ten ewa onsa right with the dental signpost into of 4th floor of Anna House no so say open say o parking so ebia wo drive abaye ho open say o park here your Tesco car park which is adjacent from your building no over to me a parking honum for at least 90 minutes. Inti nyame ya adom me damo asini na me bompai say nyame ya adom next week give it to me assign issue bio. Dr. Morton that's it.
Yenase nyame sure papa say odi dwumadi abrand na that's no nyame ya adom ye besanti won kan bio. That's it.
Ye fema ye wo London. Ya ji abasobodie bebre. Ni ya redare ewo mranse mu. Eye legal services, be to say family law, matrimonial law, immigration, dispute resolution, Ghanaian customary, any family law. Wo BWF die, yen solicitors e die nijie ene twitwaje wo na ye bo nso nya den kra. Yen partner penin pa Bernardo Wusu aye lawyer ewo UK memu bebru mfie duonu nkron 29 years. BWF Solicitors kura won ho. Inti se ba na ebusuansem bi te se child care, eye abofrahwe mu, awarja ye ho twuma mentwe. Ene ohye ana injunction ye de to domestic violence so a, ye ma legal assistance ya edimu na ye adwuma nso. Yen child care any family team no nim nia wo famu ewe ni ya wo brei mu. ɛno nti ne yɛto yɛn bo ase ma wafoto a ɛsɛ fata ɛwɔ kokoa mu. Yɛn senior partner ɛyɛ obi a Law Society Family Law Accreditation Panel agyina to mu na ɔsan so yɛ member na kyerɛ sɛ ɛba no sɛ yɛgyina w'akyi ɛretwitwa agyew ɛwɔ family ɛne matrimonial cases ho a wonni haw koraa. Wopɛ advice ɛwɔ immigration nsɛnsɛm ho. Wɔ BWF Solicitors deɛ yɛn immigration team no avedare ɛwɔ general immigration ho nsɛmsɛm kosi complex immigration, work permit, student visa ho ntotoyɛ ɛne entry clearance visas, family visas ne appeals. Yɛn senior partner ɛyɛ member na wasan gyina tom ɛwɔ Law Society Immigration Accreditation Panel. Nti sɛ yɛtae w'akyi a wonni haw koraa. Yɛbie yɛn office free dwada ekosi fiada anɔpa nɔnkron pɛɛ mu ekosi enumere nonsia ɛyɛ 9:30 a.m. kosi 6 p.m. ɛna memeneda nso ɛyɛ appointment nkoa free anɔpa nondu ekosi ewia nɔnan ɛyɛ 10 a.m. kosi 4 p.m. Yɛwɔ 4th floor ɛwɔ Anna House 214-218 Tottenham High Road, London N15 4NP. Sɛ wonnante firi 7 Sisters Underground nso a ɛyɛ kwan tiaa bi. Yɛn senior partner Bernard Owusu san yɛ barrister yɛagyina to mu na ɔyɛ Ghana Bar Association member ɛna wasan gyina sɛ mmaranimfoɔ ɛwɔ court cases a ɛfa Ghana law ho. Wɔ advise local authorities, official solicitors office ne solicitors bebree ɛfa Ghanaian law ho yie. Na ɔsan yɛ obi a ɔtae kasa ɛwɔ radio ɛne TV so fa Ghanaian law ho.